airport, y'all, in Kingston. No idea how I look on camera right now, but good morning, y'all, and welcome back to a new vlog. I usually upload on Sundays, like late morning, if you will, but my schedule has just been out of whack because I've just been relaxing / not really doing much to pick up the camera to film. You know, I don't want to film you guys. I don't want to just show you guys me sitting around laying on the couch, because that's what I've really been doing when I get off work these days. I haven't really been doing anything festive, anything fun yet. So yeah, hopefully this week we'll change that. We'll turn it around. But today's Sunday, December 8th, and I picked up the camera because I'm making short ribs for the first time. But I have me a Crockpot and set it to high. I'm going to be adding in all my stuff. This is a 4.5 quart size crock pot, so you can see it's really deep in there. I don't know what it is about, I don't know what it is about onions, but I feel like when it comes to cooking meats, especially heavy, hearty meats, it really pulls out the flavor.
Very different, you see. It's not about the snowman, it's a story. It's just a special vibe, sorry. No, that's fine. Might not have everything together, but together we're all just fine. It's just a merry mental Christmas. It's energy and energy. Spread the joy from near and far. When you like some spread and share. It's just a merry mental Christmas. Tis the season to be near. So grab a seat and come like we have a time.
Look at the airport, y'all, in Kingston. Norman Manley Airport.
Alright, say hi to mom and stuff. You're good to go. Passport check and everything. Yeah? Alright, good.
Gio's going off to see his mom. Alright, let me get back to my short rib. Give it a couple of hours and we check back in.
Ain't no nigga that I trust to knock off the dust. Walk her that sack under my arm, cause stacking up a must. I crushed the perk into the tuss, to beat up the fuzz. Move like a boss, I'm not like them, they doing such and such. I was selling lemonade while y'all were double dutch. I used to scam, I used to trap, I never cuddle much. Out to the aim, stretch my plans, I never settle much. I slipped on pimping once. You asked for hoes, I brought them.
Kind of like off the shoulder a little bit, kind of hanging off. That's kind of my vision.
Yo, DJ Smasher.
way. I know I got 'em. Too bad your ex don't feel it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. Start smelling up perfume for you. Yes, I know I'm not into it for you. Yes, that morning coffee brewed for you. Yes, one touch and I'm brand new for you. Thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. So you can't sleep, baby. I know it's that me espresso. Move it up down, left, right, on. Switch it up like Nintendo. So you can't sleep, baby. I know it's that me espresso. Holy shit. Is it that sweet? I guess so. I'm working late, 'cause I'm a singer. Oh, we look so cute, wrapped around my finger. My twisted humor, making love so often. My honeybee, come and get this pollen. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in, the dream came true for you. Soft skin and not perfume for you. Yes, I know I'm out into it for you. Yes, that morning coffee brewed for you. Yes, one touch and I'm brand new for you. Thinking about me every night. Oh, so that's me, I guess so. So you can't sleep, baby. I know it's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh. Switch it up like Nintendo. So you can't sleep, baby. I know it's that me espresso.
Hi guys, today is Tuesday, December 10th. Yesterday I did nothing but after I came from work, I went straight to pick up my mom from the train because she also came up from work around the same time as I did. So I picked her up, and then when I got home, I literally showered, ate, and I watched Aquaman until it was time for me to knock out. That was literally what I did yesterday, which was not vlog worthy or vloggable in my mind. So I was just like, yeah, we're gonna scrap yesterday. However, I did catch a couple little clips here and there of like the Christmas decor. I feel like this year's Christmas decor, a lot of people in the nearby neighborhoods have kind of gone above and beyond a little bit, in the sense that I feel like they're doing a lot more than they did before. Like the light displays are actually giving Christmas light show I can drive, or Christmas drive-through light show almost. Also, the train that is in the neighborhood, the Metro North, I don't know if this is a new thing or if this has happened before, but I feel like they low-key decided to become the Polar Express this year, because there's one train in particular that's dubbed the Christmas train because it has Christmas lights on it, which I thought was really cool. So I was able to actually catch a little bit of that in my footage for you guys. So cue the Christmas lights montage. don't even know. My hair looks... All right, so it's later in the day. I'm home now. And I decided that my bedroom needs a little bit of a Christmas update. So that's what we're going to do. I had intended to do that, honestly, when I got home from work yesterday. It didn't happen. I already told you guys the rundown of how that went. Yeah, and I'm not mad about it. And tonight's going very similarly. The difference is I will be decorating while my food is in the oven, just to keep myself busy while the food is there. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 6:47 p.m.
You heard her. All right, 6:47. I just put that in the oven. So I'm gonna give it about, I'm gonna say 15, 20 minutes. Yeah, I'll give it till 7. I'll check on it in 7. Yeah, so let me give you guys a rundown of what I'm thinking. So this year, I had a whole mindset. I had a whole plan, y'all. I did well with the living room and the other spaces of the apartment. I feel like I failed my bedroom though. Like my bedroom was Christmased out every year up until this year. So yeah, so let me just show you guys what I'm working with and what my plans are. All right, so currently that is the entire Christmas decor in my apartment, in my bedroom, sorry, right now. And it's just this nice garland. It fits the theme of my neutrals and colors and things. I have some fairy lights, so that's kind of what you guys see, the little twinkling lights. Yeah, you can see it better on this end. I do need to change out the battery. It's a battery operated fairy light wire that I have just sprinkled throughout. Then we have my mirror situation, and I'm planning to swap out this summery palm plant. It's a fake plant, by the way. I'm probably going to push it in that corner, which is a mess right now. Just ignore all of that. But I'm gonna pop it somewhere in that corner by the wall and remove it from there. So guys, look at my dressers. These are my brand new dressers that I just got. Look at them. This is a mess. As you guys can see, I have a lot of clutter going on here too. But my plan is to alleviate some of the clutter here in order to make room to shift the dressers. I have literally where that yoga mat is, that gap right there. I have enough space to kind of pull it out further down, and that should create enough room in that little corner of the room. And then that should make me feel a lot better about putting that Christmas tree there. And that's what we're gonna do right now while I have dinner cooking in the oven.
I'm on my way home to where I belong, to be with the ones I love. Gonna make my way for this holiday, to celebrate and spend some time with the ones that I love, the ones that I think of when I'm so very far, so far away. What more can I say? Just take me to that state of mind. We'll have a good time and good cheer. Ooh, Christmas is already here. Time is family's treasure.